Hi there, you're in the lab with your mate JJ. Today is an introduction to a new segment of the show which we'll be doing. And this is Learning the Art of Electronics. So I have this book called Learning the Art of Electronics, a hands-on lab course, which is by Thomas C. Hayes with the assistance of Paul Horowitz. This is the first edition. I covered this book on the channel a year ago today, April Fool's Day, 1st of April 2024. We did a new book teardown of this book, and since then a number of people have encouraged me to actually go through this book and do the exercises. The book is coursework for a university course on electronics, and they call it all of electronics because it's very broad coverage and relatively deep coverage too. It's a pretty extensive course. It's got one half of it's about analog electronics and the other half is digital electronics. Now this is the first edition, which is out of print, but the new edition is hitting shelves as we speak. I know my friend on the Learning as a Hobby channel, he already has his copy of the second edition. I pre-ordered mine on the 10th of January this year. It's now just the very end of March, and it's not here yet. They did say it'd ship early March, so it looks like just logistics troubles getting books down to the southern hemisphere. So I am still waiting for my copy to arrive, and it's a bit annoying that I've had to, in order to meet the deadline, I've had to go live with the first edition of the book because I don't have the second edition of the book yet. But hopefully it turns up soon, and when it does I'll switch over to using that. We've got another month before the first lab exercise, so hopefully it turns up in the next couple of weeks and I can do the first lab from the second edition. But at the moment we'll just work through the first edition, which is what we have access to at the moment. So as I said, this is the introduction to this segment of the show. It's we're not going to be doing the first exercise today. We'll be doing that in 1 month time. The goal for this project is to have one course on the first Tuesday of the month. So the first Tuesday of the month will be Learning the Art of Electronics Day, and as there's 25 courses, it'll just be a little over 2 years until we're complete. Now you should expect these videos are going to be very long, detailed videos. I do have a number of features on the show that aren't particularly long videos, relatively speaking. The JCAR mini projects, or I should say the JCAR and Silicon Chip mini projects, they're usually pretty quick. Similarly, the Maxitronics XM1 kits, those are usually pretty quick, but I think for these Learning the Art of Electronics videos, they're probably going to be pretty long videos. I don't know exactly, but I would guess at this stage, well, I don't know, it's anywhere from 1 to 4 hours per video is my guess. I haven't made any yet. The reason why I'm guessing so high, this book has, what have I got here, 1,128 pages to cover 25 labs. So on average it's 45 pages per month that we'll be covering per lab in the book, which is a fair number of pages. Is 45 pages, and it makes reference to the textbook, and of course the textbook is this other book, which is the third edition of The Art of Electronics from Paul Horowitz and Winfield Hill. Now this book is the textbook for the course, so we've got the lab course that we'll be working through, and this is the textbook which will get referenced by the lab course. So when the references are made, I'm planning at this stage to look up the reference material, and we're going to do a thorough job of looking at what was referenced in the textbook as we go through the labs. The other thing is, I have skipped ahead a little bit in the reading just to sort of know what's coming up, particularly when I do the first video, which will be happening soon. And the coursework in the book made reference twice, in fact, to this book, which is Electricity and Magnetism by Purcell and Moran. Now, apparently Moran has updated the original work from Purcell, and this is the 3rd edition of the book. So I certainly have this book. It's the first one that was referenced. If the coursework references any other books, I might get those as well. We'll see as we go along, depending on how relevant or interesting or important I think it is. This one certainly took my eye. This is about the physics of electricity and magnetism, and it goes into more depth than the art of electronics does. So it's extra supplemental stuff. I guess I'll do a new book teardown of this book independently, and we might try and have a quick squiz at it whenever it gets referenced from the coursework. So I think that's everything there is to tell you about this project. So the segment is going to be called Learning the Art of Electronics, based on the name of the book. We'll be doing one project a month. It's going to take us a little bit over 2 years. We're going to try and do a thorough job. We're going to read the whole chapter. Well, there's actually, for every lab, there's a number of chapters in the book for different types of content. To give you an example, in the first course, which we'll be doing pretty soon, they have they label them 1N, 1L, 1S, and 1W. So so I think 1N is for notes or introduction. 1L is for the lab exercise itself. 1S is supplementary notes, and 1W is work examples. So we'll go through that in order. I suppose we'll read the introduction, we'll read the lab, we'll do the lab, then we'll read the supplementary notes, and then we'll do the worked examples. And along the way, if there's references made to other books, we'll have a look at those other books. So I don't think there's anything more to tell you. I think that's everything to know. As I said, you can expect these videos to be a bit long, but I'm not certain about that yet because we haven't recorded the first one. I will be certainly aiming at first Tuesday of the month. I do hope that my copy of the 2nd edition arrives soon so that we can start working through that instead of the 1st edition. But if it's not here on time, I will just continue with the book that I have until the new copy arrives. So if you're interested in any of this, don't forget to hit subscribe. And if you haven't got the time for the long videos, then stick around for the shorter ones like the mini projects or the XM1 kits. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe.